Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, cruise control, daytime running lamps, reading lights, power outlet, map lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.